Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It has been a little while, and I've been a little bit busy, so I haven't been putting out many videos. But I want to at least put out a little something today because of the new Avengers movie that's dropping. So I wanted to show off a little something that I've been working on. Originally, I planned on making the Infinity Gauntlet and Infinity Stone, since those are obviously integral to the movie. And I'll actually probably still make those at some point. But it just wound up not working out in time for today, so instead I'll be quickly showing off Thor's hammer Mjolnir. So loaded up on this thing, we've got Knockback 2, Smite 5, Loyalty 2, which much like the actual Mjolnir will bring the hammer back to you after it's thrown, and Channeling 1, which appropriately throws down lightning bolts on enemies that are hit with the hammer during a thunderstorm. And this is still a work in progress, and I plan to add at least one more ability, and maybe more after that. But for now, Mjolnir has 3 different powers. This first one, called Thunder Jump, allows you to throw the hammer and then get pulled along with it, so like you fly along behind it. And this actually functions a lot like the Riptide enchant for tridents, except in this case, you can use it wherever you want to, whereas Riptide only works in the rain or in the water. And you also follow the hammer all the way to its landing point, rather than just receiving that brief push of momentum from the start. And also when you land, you create a little explosion from the impact, which will hurt any nearby entities. Next is Whirlwind Storm, which creates a small whirlwind that will travel in a straight line in the direction that you throw the hammer. And it will last 10 seconds before it disappears, and in that time, any entities caught up in it will be sent flying up in the air and then fall back down, usually to a pretty devastating effect. Finally, and a favorite of mine, is the powerful Mountain Slayer, and I think I'll just let it speak for itself for a second. So as you can see, it really tears the terrain apart and can make terraforming an incredibly quick and fun process, and you can even destroy bedrock with this as well, if that's something you want to do. And even just for fun, I find it really enjoyable to just gobble up the land with this thing and just tear the world apart. And that'll actually be it for today. Like I said, just keeping the video a little short this time around due to some time constraints. And the code for this project won't be available just yet while I work on finishing it up. And I am still planning for a coding video on my last project in the last video, but I just haven't been able to get around to it. But thanks for watching, leave a like, sub up, and drop a comment if you like, and I'll see you for the next one.